Good morning, everyone. It's Mina again. Hawaii never disappoints me, and this morning was no exception. I'm going for a stroll to enjoy the scenery, have breakfast. This morning, I stopped by a small seaside restaurant and ordered tuna rice. Nothing can describe it. It was absolutely delicious. After breakfast, I stopped by the traditional market to soak in the lively atmosphere. Here they sell a wide variety of goods. I stopped by a ceramic stall. I'm going to buy a souvenir to remember this place. Hawaii not only has beautiful beaches, but also a rich Polynesian culture. I visited a cultural village to learn how to play the ukulele. The old man taught me to play a short tune, and I really loved the gentle sound. After that, I watched traditional hula dances. The dancers in green grass skirts moved gracefully to the rhythm of the drums, a truly mesmerizing sight. I chose a small seaside restaurant and ordered kalua pork. The pork, roasted in a traditional underground oven, was tender and incredibly fragrant. It's now 2 p.m. and I'm walking to the surf spot. Coming to Hawaii without trying surfing would be a total waste of youth. You see, the feeling of surfing in Hawaii is almost impossible to put into words. I felt like a true warrior of the sea, riding the waves in the middle of the ocean. I felt like I was flying over the water. After burning off all my energy out on the ocean, I joined a kayaking trip on the Wailua River. The river flows through lush green jungle. I could hear birds singing and feel the fresh, clean air all around me. I stopped by a botanical garden. It was filled with vibrant orchids, hibiscus, and plumeria flowers in full bloom. I spent the afternoon hiking along the high cliffs overlooking the ocean. I felt so small in comparison. Nature was truly majestic. Tonight I joined a beachside festival. There were glowing tiki torches and the soothing strums of ukulele music. A wonderful day full of unforgettable experiences. My trip to Hawaii comes to an end. Goodbye, everyone.